Very good morning. Today we will discuss the decimal to hexadecimal code conversion. Decimal to hexadecimal. Yeah, decimal total numbers 10, 0 to 9. Base or radix in decimal number system 10. Hexadecimal total numbers 16, 0 to 9 and A to F. In decimal 10, the corresponding hexadecimal value A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. Okay, total 16 numbers 0 to 9 and A to F. Here hexadecimal number system base or radix is 16 or H. H means hexadecimal. Okay, first sum we will discuss to convert 3509 base 10. Here the given decimal number to convert into hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number. Here the 3509 to convert hexadecimal. Hexadecimal base is 16. So divide by 16. Divide by 16. 35 divided by 16 2 times. 2 times and remainder this is for 32 and subtract with the 35 remainder 3 0 means 30 divided by 16 1 times. Okay, 30 divided by 16 single times and remainder 14 and 14 here we can use. This is for 149 divided by 16. How many times? 9 times. 9 times 16 into 9. Now result is 144. Now subtract with it 144 remainder 5. Remainder 5. After that, now divide by 16. 2 1 9. 21 divided by 16 1 times. 21 divided by 16 1 times. Remainder 5. This is for 9. 59 divided by 16 3 times. 3 times 48. Remainder 11. Remainder 11. 13 we cannot divide, so we can write the result from down to top. Okay, here result in hexadecimal 13 11 and the decimal format. Now to write the result corresponding x value, that is 3509 base 10 equal to, we have to write the result from this direction. First 13 decimal, what is the corresponding hexadecimal value? 10 A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. This is for decimal and this is for corresponding hexadecimal value. 13 corresponding hexadecimal value D and 11 corresponding hexadecimal value D and 5 decimal and hexadecimal value same 5 within bracket 6 within bracket 16 or we can represent for H or we can represent H. This is the format for to convert given hexadecimal given decimal to hexadecimal code conversion. Okay, divide by 16 and then the result decimal, that decimal number you have to convert into hexadecimal. Second sum, to convert 0.128962 base 10 to convert into hexadecimal. Okay, for the 0.128962 into, we have to multiply with 16. 0.1289062 into 16. Now result is 2.0625 equal here 0.0625 with a carry, equal, here the carry is 2. Okay, here the carry is 2. Now we can write 0.0625 into 16. Now multiply with 16. 0.0625 into 16. Now result is 1.0000 equal to, we can write 0000 without carry, and with the carry equal to, carry is here 1, and 0 we can multiply with anything, that result is 0. So we can stop the process here itself. If same number repetition, we can stop, or if 0 occurs, we can stop. Otherwise, up to 5 digits, we can stop the conversion. Okay, and to write the result 0.1289062 base 10 equal to, we have to write the result from top to down. It is 0.21 within bracket 16 or inch. This is the format for to convert the given decimal number to the corresponding hexadecimal value. Okay. Third sum, to convert 22.64 base 10 to convert into decimal. The given hexadecimal number to convert into, the given decimal number to convert into hexadecimal format. First, we can take the order decimal point 22. 22 divided by 16. 1 times, here the 22 divided by 16 means 1 times and remainder 5. 22, 6. Remainder 6. So we can write the result from down to top. That is 22 base 10 equal to 16 base is 16 or inch. Okay. Next, we can take the decimal point value. Before decimal point 64 into 16. 0.64 into 16. 0.64 into 16. Now result is 10.24. 10.24. Without carry, we can write the result point 24 with a carry equal. Here the carry is 10. Next, we can take 0.24 into 16. 0.24 into 16. Now result is 3.84. 3.84. We can take without carry point 84. Here with a carry equal. Here the carry is 3. Next, we can take the without carry point 84 into 16. 0.84 into 16. Now result is 13.44. We can write without carry, that is 0.44 with a carry equal. Here the carry is 13. Okay. Next, without carry 0.44 into 16. 0.44 into 16, 7.04 equal to without carry 0.04 with a carry equal to 7. Next, 0.04 into 16 equal 0.04 into 16 equal to 0.64. Okay, 0.64. We can write without carry 0.64 with a carry equal to, here the carry is 0. And then same number repetition. Here 0.64 and here also 0.64 repeated. So we can stop here itself. And to write the result top to down, we have to write the result in hexadecimal format. But 10, 13 under decimal format, what is the corresponding x value? A, and this is for 3. And 13 the corresponding decimal value, 13 decimal and the corresponding hexadecimal, 10, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D. Here this is for D, and 7 and 0. Okay, we can write the result 0.64 base 10 equal to point. We have to write the result from top to down. A, 3, D, 7, 0 within bracket 16 or H. The base is 16 or H. And then finally we have to write the result 22.64 base 10 equal to 22 the corresponding hexadecimal value 16 and decimal point and 64 the corresponding hexa value A, 3, D, 7. Okay, and 0 within bracket H or 16. This is the base. This is the format for to convert the given decimal number to hexadecimal code conversion. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.